when you're pressure washing, get all your hoses laid out nice and straight, so you don't have to worry about kinks when you're trying to work. Both hoses. I know it's annoying, but walk this one out. Well, if you get an Uber Flex hose, it's not as much of a problem, but just walk it out, keep twisting it until it's unkinked. Go back to the machine. Now I don't have to worry about wrapping it up or getting it kinked, just tripping on it. I don't have the water on yet, so I'm not going to pull it, but when you go to start this thing, make sure your water's on and that you got the trigger pulled on your gun. Otherwise, you're going to be fighting it because your pump wants to spin. There you go, guys. Have a great day. And thank you for watching. When you finish one spot and you're going to the next, do not drag your hoses. Pick them up. Like so. Then move your pressure washer. That way you don't break them off. Rip your hoses, break the connection. There you go. Done talking about pressure washing. Have a good day. Well, the sun's not on anymore, but it looks a lot better. Anyways, guys, so when you're disconnected and you're done with this thing, make sure your water's off. Same thing. You gotta press this trigger. Make sure whatever water's in there is out. Otherwise, you're gonna be fighting that hose. There you go. Have a good day.